Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrencies, you know how important it is to securely manage your assets. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to send Cardano, ADA, from your Trezor hardware wallet to your Arculus wallet in 2025. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, so let's jump right in and make sure you're transferring your crypto safely and efficiently. First things first, before we start, ensure you have both wallets set up properly. You'll need your Trezor device connected to your computer via USB, the Trezor Suite app installed, and the Arculus Wallet app ready on your mobile device. Also, double-check that you have some ADA in your Trezor wallet. Nothing worse than trying to send what you don't have. Let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open the Trezor Suite on your computer and unlock your device with your PIN. Once in, navigate to the Cardano dashboard. Here, you'll see your ADA balance. Take a moment to verify it. Step 2. Click on the Send button. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Now, switch to your Arculus Wallet app on your phone. Go to the Receive section, select Cardano, and generate a new receive address. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string, so no typos allowed. Step 3. Back in Trezor Suite, paste the Arculus address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of ADA you want to send, and don't forget to leave some for network fees, which are usually minimal for Cardano transactions. Step 4. Review everything on screen. Trezor will ask for confirmation on your device. Always confirm transactions physically to prevent hacks. Hit send, and watch the magic happen. Transactions on Cardano are fast, so it should confirm in a few minutes. Once it's done, head back to your Arculus app to verify the ADA has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a bit. Blockchain networks can have slight delays. A quick tip. In 2025, always enable two-factor authentication on both wallets and use a secure connection. Avoid public Wi-Fi for these transfers to keep your funds safe. And remember, if you're new to this, start with a small amount to practice. There you have it. Sending Cardano from Trezor to Arculus is that simple. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.